Understanding your running pace is crucial for any runner aiming to improve their performance. Knowing how to calculate pace helps set realistic goals and track your progress over time. At its core, running pace is defined as the amount of time it takes to cover a specific distance, typically measured in minutes per mile or minutes per kilometer. With a clear understanding of your pace, you can make informed training decisions that align with your personal fitness objectives. To start calculating your running pace, you'll need two key pieces of information: the distance you run and the total time it takes you to complete that distance. For instance, if you run a distance of 5 kilometers and your stopwatch shows a time of 25 minutes, you'll need to convert this into a per kilometer pace. To do this, simply divide your total time by the distance. For the example above, that would be 25 minutes divided by 5 kilometers, resulting in a pace of 5 minutes per kilometer. However, it's important to be consistent with your units. If you prefer measuring in miles, the same principle applies. If you run a distance of 3 miles in 24 minutes, convert your time to minutes per mile by dividing 24 minutes by 3 miles, giving you a result of 8 minutes per mile. This method provides a straightforward approach to understanding how pace works and can easily be adapted to various distances, whether you're training for a 5K or a marathon. Aside from calculating your average pace, learning to track your intervals can also be beneficial. By breaking your run into segments, you can identify patterns in your performance across different terrains or conditions. This insight can highlight strengths and areas for improvement, and guide your training sessions accordingly. Advanced running watches and apps can help track these metrics in real time, giving you immediate feedback on your performance. Finally, remember to adjust your expectations based on distinct factors. Weather, terrain, and even your fitness level can affect your running pace. It's advisable to practice calculating your pace regularly under different conditions to become familiar with these nuances. With each calculation, you'll build a more accurate understanding of your capabilities, making you a more strategic and effective runner. Embrace the power of numbers and let them guide you towards achieving your running goals.